Hello. Today I would like to talk to you about Keurig.com. Keurig.com is my go-to place when I am running low of coffee or tea pods. My favorite thing to order here is green tea. The first thing I do when I come to this website is I look for any kind of specials they are running. Today I see that at the top of this banner they have a special running 25% on pods in every auto delivery order. They also have $14 off 4 boxes of pods. So what I'm going to do here is click this hyperlink. By doing that, I got the promo 4 has already been applied to my shopping cart. Now I'm going to click over here, that coffee, tea, or more, and that gives me this drop down menu for any of the coffee and tea that I wanted to look at. As I previously mentioned, the reason for my purchase today is that I'm running low on green tea. So I'm going to click on this hyperlink for green tea. As you can see, Keurig offers 6 different kinds of green tea. My favorite choice here is the Celestial tea. They offer 2 different sizes in this flavor, the 6 count or the 24 count. Today I'm going to get 24, and since the special is $14 off 4 boxes, that is what I'm going to order. If you choose the auto delivery, they'll send you 1 box a month, and you do get quite a discount on that. But since I get that $14 discount today, I'm going to order 4 boxes at one time. In addition to that discount, I'm also going to get some free shipping. So I'm going to add those 4 boxes into my cart. And there you see that they've just given me that free shipping. Okay, I'm going to go over to my cart. And here you see there's that discount I mentioned, and here it is again. And now I'm going to check out with PayPal. Log into my account here. For some reason it doesn't want to. We'll try this again. Oh, there we go. It's spinning.